Welcome to our educational video on understanding observation in qualitative research. Observation is a crucial aspect of qualitative research. Let's explore the four main aspects of observation: level, duration, frequency, and location. The level of observation refers to the depth of detail in the observations. Duration refers to the length of time the observations are conducted. Frequency is the number of times observations are repeated. Location refers to the specific place where the observations take place. Now, let's dive deeper into each aspect with relevant examples. Let's start with the level of observation. For example, a researcher observing a classroom can provide valuable insights. Next, let's explore the duration and frequency of observation. For instance, a researcher observing a group for 6 months, once every week. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of location in qualitative research. Observing behavior in natural settings like a park can provide different insights compared to controlled settings like a laboratory. Understanding the level, duration, frequency, and location of observation is essential for conducting effective qualitative research.